Hello, my dear students. This is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics, the Nandal Public School. Coming to the content, this is last content in electromagnetic induction. After that, alternating current. Okay, electromagnetic induction and alternating current is combined in the content. Okay, according to plus 2 textbook, these two chapters are different, but coming to this last content in alternating current, LC oscillations. So LC oscillations means inductor and capacitor. The main theme of LC oscillations, this type of capacitors and inductors are arranged in radios, some tuning operators like that. Okay, first of all, coming to consider a charge stored device, that is capacitor, and we can connect that charge stored capacitor with one inductor. We can see some situations. First condition, at time t is equal to 0, energy stored in inductor is maximum. Okay, so first capacitor having some energy, there is no energy stored in inductor. The magnetic energy becomes 0. Okay, after some time, t by 8th time, energy stored in capacitor is equal to energy stored in inductor. Okay, UE means energy stored in capacitor. That energy stored in capacitor is equal to electrical energy. UB, energy stored in inductor, that becomes energy due to magnetism, the symbol. Okay, so at 2t by 8 times UE becomes 0. UE becomes 0 means UB maximum means by observing this, first the capacitor having some energy, the energy continuously discharging from capacitor to inductor. Okay, so at the third situation, completely the energy stored in capacitor is completely 0, the energy stored in inductor completely maximum. So that given. Coming to the second line, 3t by 8 time after continuation, electrical energy due to capacitor, magnetic energy due to inductor is same. Then at 4t by 8 time, energy stored in capacitor is maximum, energy stored in inductor is 0. So like that the process is continuous. Okay, so what is the process? First capacitor having some energy, that energy is slowly goes to inductor. Understand, that charge is goes to inductor. After that the energy stored in the inductor is continuously equal to the energy stored in capacitor. After that continuously charge is going from capacitor to inductor, the energy stored in inductor is maximum. After that the energy is transformed electrical energy in the form of capacitor. Okay, understand, my dear children? Okay, coming to the small graph, undamped oscillations and damped oscillations by using LC oscillations. We know that undamped means there is no loss of amplitude in any type of oscillations. Damped means the amplitude is continuously becomes 0. See second diagram. If Q be the charge on the capacitor at any time t, and di by dt the rate of change of current, then according to that equation from the circuit, from this circuit we can draw the one equation, L di by dt plus Q by C is equal to 0. Okay, so according to Kirchhoff's second rule, we have to write like that. Okay, we know that di by dt is equal to d square q by dt square. L into d square q by dt square plus q by c is equal to 0. Okay, understand? So, rearrange this q square, d square q by dt square plus q into 1 by lc is equal to 0. Putting 1 by lc is equal to omega square. D square q by dt square plus omega square q is equal to 0. Okay, see here, by observing this equation we can have some idea in oscillations. Okay, so dx square d square x by dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. So this equation represent a simple harmonic motion. Understand? The final equation represents simple harmonic motion. In this case, simple harmonic electrical oscillations with omega as angular frequency. So omega is equal to 1 by root of LC, or f is equal to 1 by 2 pi into root of LC. This is the frequency. This represents frequency at resonance condition in previous case. Okay, coming to transformer. So transformer is a device which converts lower alternating voltage at higher current into higher alternating voltage at lower current. Okay, simply it is a device which converts high to low voltage and high to low current and low to high current to high voltage to lower voltage of current. Okay, understand my children? Principle: transformer is based on the mutual inductance. Okay, so it is the phenomenon of inducing EMF in the secondary coil due to change in current in the primary coil, and hence the change in magnetic flux in the secondary coil. This is the principle. Transformer is based on the principle of mutual inductance. Means one side we can produce magnetic field, means another side we can produce induced EMF. That is the principle. So coming to this second law of electromagnetic induction, EP is equal to minus NP d phi by dt. EP means primary, NP means number of turns in primary coil, like that. Okay, so S represents secondary, means other side. Okay, ES is equal to NS d phi by dt. Okay, so by using equation of primary, equation of secondary, ES by EP, secondary by primary, ES by EP is equal to NS by NP. By ratio we can cancel d phi by dt. We can get NS by NP. Okay, is equal to K, some constant, where K is called transformer ratio or turns ratio. For an ideal transformer, output power is equal to input power. So ideal transformer means there is no power rise and power up before and after through the transformer. ES IS is equal to EP IP, means EMF of secondary, current secondary is equal to EP IP, means power is equal to EI based on that. ES by EP is equal to IP by IS. Okay, from Ohm's law, like that. ES by EP is equal to IP by IS, that is equal to NS by NP. Okay, understand? This is final equation. Coming to efficiency. Efficiency means output by input, means secondary by primary. Okay, output power by input power, like that. Eta is equal to ES IS divided by EP IP. For an ideal transformer, eta is 100%. Okay, Okay, my student, it is one of the important small content in AC currents. Okay, coming to types of transformers, step up and step down transformer. See here, based on the diagram, we have to say what is step up, what is step down. Okay, step up means primary having less number of turns, secondary coils having number of turns is higher. Okay, that is the condition. Number of turns in secondary coil is greater than primary, means that is transformer ratio is greater than 1. Okay, EMF secondary is greater than EMF primary, and current in secondary is less than current in primary. Okay, coming to step down. Step down means secondary coil number of turns is less. That is the condition. Number of turns is secondary coil less than number of turns in primary coil. That is K is less than 1, ES less than EP, and IS greater than IP. Coming to energy losses in a transformer. Okay, coming to first one, copper loss. Heat is produced due to the resistance of the copper winding of primary and secondary coils when current flows through them. This can be avoided by using thick wire for winding. Second one, flux loss. In actual transformer, coupling between primary and secondary coil is not perfect. So, a certain amount of magnetic flux is wasted. Linking can be maximized by winding the coils over one another. Okay, coming to third one, iron loss. First one, uh, eddy current. Eddy current loss. When a change in magnetic flux is linked with the iron core, eddy current are set up with in turns produced heat and energy is wasted. That is definition. Eddy currents are reduced by using laminated core instead of a solid iron blocks, because in laminated core the eddy current are confined within the lamination, and they do not get added up to produce larger current. In other words, their paths are broken instead of the continuous one. Hysteresis loss. When alternating current is passed, the iron core is magnetized and demagnetized repeatedly over the cycles, and some energy is being lost in the process. This can be minimized by using suitable material with thin hysteresis loop. Okay, here solid core is the diagram, laminated core. Next, loss due to vibration of core. Some electrical energy is lost in the form of mechanical energy due to vibration of the core and humming noise due to magnetostriction effect. Okay, coming to AC generator. My dear children, already I explained AC generator, how it works. Okay, once again I will explain. See how it is in the PowerPoint. AC generator or AC dynamo or alternator is a device which converts mechanical energy into alternating current, electrical energy. Coming to principle, alternating current generator is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Coming to construction, first one, field magnets with poles north and south. armature coil PQRS, here north and south, and armature here PQRS. Okay, slip rings R1 and R2. Here R1 R2 is there, that is slip rings. Brushes B1 and B2. Here brush B1 B2 is there. Next load, it is a resistance. Load means is a resistance. So here we can connect high resistance. We can connect high resistance. We can say that is load. Working, let the armature be rotated in such a way that the arm PQ goes down and RS come up from the plane of the diagram. Means PQ goes down, RS comes up from the plane of the diagram. See, induced EMF, hence current is set up in the coil by Fleming right hand rule. The direction of current is PQRS and R2 B2 B1 R1P. So these are the direction PQRS B1 like that. See here B2 B1 R1P, B2 B1 R1P. After of the rotation of the coil, after of the rotation of the coil, the arm PQ comes up and arm RS goes down into the plane of the diagram. By Fleming right hand rule, the direction of the current is PR1 B1 B2 R2 S R QP. Okay. If one way of the current takes positive, then reverse current is taken negative. Therefore, the current is said to be alternating and the corresponding wave is sinusoidal, means it follows sine function. Theory, we know that flux BA cos theta. Number of turns we can take NBA cos theta. At time t with the angular velocity omega, theta is equal to omega t. At t is equal to 0, loop azimuth to the perpendicular to the magnetic field, theta is equal to 0. So cos 0 1, phi is equal to NBA cos omega t. Differentiating with respect to time, d phi by dt is equal to minus NBA omega sin omega t. E is equal to d phi by dt. E is equal to NBA omega sin omega t. E is equal to E naught sin omega t, where E naught is equal to NBA omega.